Hey Chronicle crew, another day, another problem. This time the coils seem to not be pulling the bed up properly. So, taking a look.
Oh, that's not good.
What are those?
Bearings, I would have to. Honestly, I don't know what those balls are, but did you get any?
We found the culprit. It's this right here. This piece broke. See how it should go over, and now this piece is missing, which means now we have to either fix this piece or get a whole new piece.
You know, it'd be nice if it was, you know, easily field serviceable, but it's really not. You can see this end here is bent a little bit from the stress. Well, it's a good thing that we are figuring this shit out now. This pin should pull out to release the pulleys. The sucky thing is I've got to unwind the rope from the winch and then reroute the pulleys.
Oh, you have to route.
Yeah, because it's going three ways. Because these are all basically gear reductions, right? So it makes lifting, I don't know, let's say the mattress is 200 pounds, doable for you with one arm. You know what I mean? Otherwise, you're talking about straight up lifting, you know, 200 to 300 pounds maybe. So this helps, like the snatch block works in the same principle by reducing the work with pulleys. Although, I'm sure someone will correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, it stinks. If I could just pull this pin out, like this cotter pin, then I could just put the new spool on and push everything through without having to undo all the rope. So that gives me an idea to see if I can find something like that for the future, you know? Honestly, I would have thought that this would handle more force. That's surprising me it didn't. I mean, since I assume these are sailing, you know, you're dealing with forces potentially a lot stronger than a few hundred pounds. All right, well, I'll go check out the marina store. I got two of these. So our new pulley blocks finally arrived today from this company called BlueShark. I got two of these for about $100. While this company isn't as well known as others, we decided to give these a shot. These look very well built, aluminum. The capacity and brake strength is probably 2 to 3 times more than the ones that we have up in there now. Going forward with this, give it a shot. Okay, so the first thing we have to do, not sure if you can see that, is unwind all the rope from the winch, which I've already done by releasing the locking clutch. So now I've got all this rope that I've got to wind back and forth with these pulleys like 6 times. Just back and forth, and then back down through here. All right, so let's review and make sure I don't screw it up. So this guy comes up here, goes over here, goes to the second one. This one comes over here, goes to the second one. This one goes over here, goes to the third one. Bam. Anchored in right there with that knot. Okay, well, here we go. That I'm gonna have to redo this knot, aren't I? So I can figure out a way to get it off that pulley. guess I'll have to go and research this knot, because unfortunately I'm not an Eagle Scout. I did not get my knotting or tying badge in Boy Scouts either, so that would be a good skill to have. Definitely impressed with all the cool knots people make. But it's definitely something I should endeavor to learn, right? Now these come out though. Okay, well, I'll be back with more shenanigans.